When I think about luxury, Shobha comes in my mind. Hello everyone, I'm Sushant from Realty. Today we are here at SOBHA Neopolis, the most luxurious Greek theme project in Panathur, Bangalore. Today I'm going to show you 4 BHK of size of 2,481 square feet area at SOBHA Neopolis. Come on, let's have a look at it. So once you open the door, you have this spacious foyer area of 7 by 4. Then you get this honeycomb technology wooden doors of size of 8 feet. And the very beautiful thing about this project is that you get the optical fiber Wi-Fi setup over here. Now inside you have this spacious dining in the living area, the size of 24 by 14 feet. You get these tiles of 7 by 4 tiles, which are the matte finish tiles. Now I'm going to show you the kitchen area. So you get this kitchen along with the utility. You get the sliding door. This could be your wet area. So as I said, this is based on the Greek architecture. You get these curves of Greek architecture. And this is the alcove which we have given, where you can keep it as a guitar room or bar. You can keep it bar counter. You can keep it on the puja room. Now let me show you the balcony, which is a double elevated terrace garden. And it's a huge balcony you have. You can keep it as, you can use as gym area or the barbecue counter, or maybe the sit out area. You can keep it along with the garden you have. Now let me show you, this is the guest bed, the size of 11 by 13 feet with the attached washroom. You have a huge window along the standing balcony you have. Let's see all 3 bedrooms of the 4 BHK. Once you come from the living and dining space, you get this powder room. You have this bedroom with the size of 11 by 13 with the attached washroom you have. And you get the standing balcony along with the huge windows. This is the kids' bed of the size of 11 by 13, which comes with the attached washroom. Let me show you, this is the master bed. Once you come inside, you have this little foyer area and you get this wooden textured tiles. Let me show you the balcony. This is the balcony you get in the master bed. It's a pretty spacious balcony you have. Now let me show you, this is a walk-in wardrobe you get in a master bed. This is a huge long walk-in wardrobe you have. You can keep your accessories in a wardrobe space you have, along with the attached washroom you have. Thank you for watching our video. If you need more information, please do call and WhatsApp on the number given below. And please do subscribe our channel, Realty.